Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels, and we got the Alpha Pursuit today. Alpha Pursuit from the HW Rescue Series number 8 of 10, and we got it in white, red, white, and blue actually. Pretty cool rescue vehicle. This is 238 of 250 for 2021. I got this at a Target a couple weeks ago when the P-case dropped. And there were barely any cars on the shelf, but this is one of the less desirable ones. GTB 10 is the number, and Hot Wheels rescue cars are fearless and fearless and fast to respond. These vehicles save the day. All right, let's get this open. See what we're dealing with here. And just a terrible open there. Look how much glue was missing there, and I still butchered the open. Brand new police car, a rescue car in my hands right now. It's not really a police car, even though it says Pursuit. It's a rescue vehicle, and we got blue wheels on this one. Cool casting, and you can see that rescue Tampa right there, and ram air hood scoops. That's what they look like, at least. Red, white, and blue. Rescue right there. There's a brush guard, kind of. Interior. You can see the black interior there. I like the design of that. Very cool. Back of the casting. Alpha Pursuit. And this is the only variation that I have of the Alpha Pursuit. I did a video on one where I got one with a fingernail stuck in the packaging. That is a different one. I'm keeping that one in the packaging, but I have a second one here that I decided to open up for the channel. Not the best looking of castings, but it's definitely cool. It's got a nice sleek design to it. And a black plastic base. 2019 copyright, Alpha Pursuit. Thanks for tuning in. Checking it out with me. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.